Do you miss sweets but worry every bite will spike your blood sugar? You are not alone. Many seniors with diabetes feel forced to give up desserts forever. But here is the truth most people never hear. You do not need to quit sweets completely. You just need to choose the right ones. Today, you will learn the only 3 sweets that are generally safe for diabetics after 65 when eaten in the right way. These options satisfy cravings, protect blood sugar, and support long-term health. Stay until the end, because one common mistake seniors make with so-called healthy sweets can still raise blood sugar fast. Number 1. Why sugar becomes more dangerous after 65. After 65, the body processes sugar more slowly. Insulin sensitivity declines, and blood sugar stays elevated longer after sweet foods. This makes traditional sweets like cakes, cookies, and candy especially risky. They cause sudden glucose spikes that strain the heart, brain, and kidneys. Over time, repeated spikes damage blood vessels and nerves. This increases the risk of memory issues, vision problems, and foot complications. That is why seniors with diabetes must be extra careful with sweets. The goal is not sweetness alone. The goal is stability. Number 2. What makes a sweet safe for diabetics? A safe sweet does 3 important things. It raises blood sugar slowly. It contains fiber or healthy fats that slow digestion. And it avoids refined sugar and white flour. Natural sweetness alone is not enough. Even honey, jaggery, or maple syrup can spike glucose quickly. The safest sweets are those that work with your body instead of against it. They satisfy cravings without overwhelming your system. Number 3. Sweet number 1, dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is one of the safest sweet treats for seniors with diabetes. But only when it contains at least 70% cocoa. High cocoa dark chocolate is low in sugar and rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants help improve insulin sensitivity and blood flow. Dark chocolate also contains healthy fats that slow sugar absorption. This prevents sudden glucose spikes. A small portion is enough. 1 or 2 small squares after a meal can satisfy cravings without harming blood sugar. Avoid milk chocolate or chocolate with caramel or fillings. These contain hidden sugars that cancel out the benefits. Number 4. Sweet number 2, berries. Berries are one of the safest fruits for diabetics after 65. This includes blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. They are naturally sweet but very low in sugar compared to other fruits. They are also high in fiber, which slows digestion and glucose release. Berries protect the brain and heart, while satisfying sweet cravings. They also reduce inflammation, which is important for diabetes control. A small bowl of berries after meals or with yogurt makes a perfect dessert. Avoid fruit juices or dried berries, as these concentrate sugar. Number 5. Sweet number 3, chia seed pudding. Chia seed pudding is one of the best dessert alternatives for diabetic seniors. It contains almost no sugar and is rich in fiber and healthy fats. Fiber slows digestion and prevents blood sugar spikes. Healthy fats keep you full and reduce cravings. Chia pudding can be made with unsweetened almond milk or regular milk. A small amount of berries or cinnamon adds flavor without sugar. This dessert is especially helpful at night. It prevents late-night sugar cravings and keeps blood sugar stable overnight. Number 6. Why artificial sweeteners are not the answer. Many seniors turn to artificial sweeteners thinking they are safe. But some artificial sweeteners can confuse insulin signals. They may increase cravings and disrupt gut health. This can make blood sugar harder to control over time. Natural low-sugar foods with fiber are a better long-term solution. They nourish the body instead of tricking it. Number 7. Common mistakes seniors make with sweets. Eating sweets on an empty stomach. This causes faster glucose spikes. Eating too large a portion. Even safe sweets can become unsafe in excess. Assuming natural sugar means harmless sugar. The body still processes sugar the same way. Pairing sweets with protein or healthy fats is always safer. Number 8. Real-life example. Consider Robert, a 69-year-old with type 2 diabetes. He loved desserts and struggled to control cravings. After switching to dark chocolate, berries, and chia pudding, his blood sugar stabilized. His A1C improved, and he no longer felt deprived. He enjoyed sweets without guilt or glucose spikes. Small changes made a big difference. Consider Mary, a 72-year-old retired nurse living with type 2 diabetes. She loved sweets after dinner and often ate cookies or ice cream. Her blood sugar readings were high at night and again the next morning. After learning about safer sweets, Mary replaced her desserts with a small bowl of berries and plain yogurt. Within a few weeks, her evening cravings reduced and her fasting blood sugar numbers improved. She felt more in control and no longer felt anxious about enjoying something sweet. This small change helped her stay consistent with her diabetes management. Now consider George, a 67-year-old grandfather who struggled with late-night snacking. He often reached for packaged sweets, believing a small amount would not matter. His glucose readings told a different story. Even small sugary snacks caused spikes and restless sleep. George switched to chia seed pudding with a few blueberries in the evening. This kept him full, satisfied his sweet tooth, and prevented overnight blood sugar rises. After a month, his energy levels improved and his morning glucose numbers became more stable. He enjoyed his dessert without guilt and without harming his health. These examples show that seniors do not need to eliminate sweetness completely. Choosing the right sweets at the right time makes all the difference. Number 9. How often can seniors eat these sweets? Safe sweets should still be occasional. 2 to 4 times per week is reasonable for most seniors. Eating them after meals is better than alone. This slows digestion and protects blood sugar. Monitoring your glucose response helps personalize choices. Number 10. The bottom line. Diabetes does not mean the end of sweetness. It means choosing smarter sweets. Dark chocolate, berries, and chia seed pudding are the safest options after 65. They satisfy cravings while protecting blood sugar, heart health, and energy. When eaten in moderation and at the right time, these sweets support long-term control. They help seniors enjoy food without fear. If this video helped you rethink sweets and diabetes, share it with someone who needs this information. Subscribe to my channel for simple, practical guidance on eating well, staying strong, and protecting health after 65. You deserve enjoyment and good health at the same time. The key is choosing what works for your body, not against it.